Halo, selamat pagi. Ini yang nomor satu, sayangnya 1 sampai 5 ini memakai listening comprehension, jadi harus menggunakan audio. Lalu saya akan mengerjakan nomor 6 sampai 20 dikarenakan ini reading comprehension, jadi para penonton bisa ikut membaca juga dan lebih mudah untuk mengkoreksinya. Langsung saja nomor 6 sampai 20. Once upon a time, a rabbit wanted to cross a river but he could not swim. He had an idea. He saw a bus of crocodiles swimming in the river. The rabbit asked the bus of crocodile, "How many crocodiles are there in the river?" The bus of crocodile answered, "We are 20 here. Where are they?" The rabbit asked for the second time, "What is it for?" The bus of crocodile asked, "All of you are good, nice, gentle, and kind, so I want to make a line in order. Later I will know how kind you are," said the rabbit. Then the boss of the crocodile called all his friends and asked them to make line in order from one side to the other side of the river. Just then the rabbit started to count while jumping from one crocodile to another. 1, 2, 3, 4 until 20, and finally he thanked all the crocodiles because he had crossed the river. Ini pertanyaan nomor 6. The story mainly tell us about. Jawabannya adalah D. Rabbit and the boss of crocodile. Seandainya ada yang bertanya, mengapa tidak C? Karena ini 20 crocodile ini tidak disebutkan nama dan tokohnya, sifat atau perilakunya bagaimana. Dan nomor 6 ini hanya membahas tentang rabbit dan diskusi dengan bos krokodil. Jadi D. 7. We know from the first paragraph that the rabbit actually want to cross the river. A. Jawabannya A. Dikarenakan ini rabbitnya ingin menyeberang sungai dan rabbit ini memperdaya 20 krokodil tadi agar dapat menyeberang. All of you are good, nice, gentle. The underlined word is synonymous with. Sinonim berarti yang artinya mirip. Gentle itu lembut. Gentleman itu artinya ya seorang laki-laki yang lembut, tidak kasar begitulah. Berarti ini jawabannya well bukan, diligent bukan, cheerful bukan. Lebih ke E, honorable. Istilahnya terhormat lah seperti itu. Kita baca untuk nomor 9 sampai 12. An elephant is the largest and strongest of all animals. It is a strange-looking animal with stick-like, huge sides and backs, large hanging ears, small tail, little eyes, long white tusks, and above all, it has a long nose. The trunk, belalai ya ini. The trunk is the elephant's peculiar feature, and it has various uses. The elephant draws up water by its trunk and can squirt it all over its body like a shower bath. It can also lift leaves and put them into its mouth. In fact, the trunk serves the elephant as a long arm and hand. An elephant looks very clumsy and heavy, yet it can move very quickly. The elephant is a very intelligent animal. Its intelligence combined with its great strength makes it a very useful servant to man, and it can be trained to serve in various ways such as carry heavy logs, hunt for tigers, and even fight. The third paragraph is mainly about the fact that. Nomor 9 ini paragraf ketiga. An elephant ini 1, the trunk ini kedua, yang 3 ini the elephant is very intelligent animal. Berarti ini D. Elephant are very useful karena dapat digunakan oleh manusia untuk kepentingan yang banyak sekali. 10. Which of the following is not part of the elephant described in first paragraph? First paragraph ini berarti largest and strongest of animal is strange-looking animal with. Ini teks ini yang paragraf pertama menyebutkan ciri-ciri dan bagaimana bentuk gajah, besar, kuat, dan mempunyai tadi ya ciri-cirinya. Small tile, ya. Which is not berarti yang tidak termasuk. C. It is wild. It is wild tidak disebutkan di paragraf pertama. It is started in the next text that the elephant used the trunk to do the following except. Ini gajah melakukan banyak tindakan dengan belalai kecuali push. Di sini belalainya tidak ada keterangan untuk mendorong. Untuk makan, minum, membawa barang, untuk mandi ada, tapi untuk mendorong tidak ada. The trunk is the elephant's peculiar feature. The underneath word is close in meaning to. Peculiar itu lebih ke strange. B. Artinya tidak umum, peculiar itu ya. Jadi kata yang lebih mirip adalah D. Strange. Ini nomor 13 sampai 15 ada surat untuk Rosa dari Rio N di Padang. Kita baca. Lanjut lagi, tadi ada gangguan. Dear Rosa, I'm a guy, 28 years old, 28 tahun. I have a problem with a girlfriend. Saya punya masalah dengan pacar saya. She is 25 years old, berusia 25 tahun. We have been dating each other for years since we were high school students. Now we have jobs. I feel very sure that we love each other. Now it's time for me to get married. Unfortunately, her parents never approved our relationship ever since the first time. My family, anyhow, does not really mind. Berarti permasalahannya di pacarnya si Rio. At first, I thought my girlfriend had the power to define our love, but then she surrendered. She loved me, and she loved her family too. On the one hand, she said, "I'll be happy if my family is happy." It means she had to get approval from her parents. Jadi ini orang tua dari pacarnya si Rio ini, itu orang tuanya tidak setuju begitu sepertinya. Lalu, for this I was shocked. My heart is broken. She end our relationship just at the time when I was ready to marry her. When I was with her, we were very happy. We had a lot in common and there were no conflicts. The truth was, we separated only because of her parents. They want her to marry her cousin, her own son. This is one of the traditions in the Caronis. For the time being, I'm very upset. When I miss her, I call her. Then we can eat together, talk together for hours. We act like eating because she loves me too. The real problem is, she cannot refuse what her parent wants. So should I forget my girlfriend, the only one that I truly love, or else should I just wait and dream that one day she will be back to me? Rio di Padang lalu dibalas oleh si Rosa. So Rosa membalas di Rio, "You call her your girlfriend, but she has chosen for her own way. For this reason, I say that there is nothing you can do except forget her and go on with your normal life. Hopefully, you can find another and live happily forever." Dari Rosa. Jadi si Rosa membalas Rio agar si Rio dapat melupakan dan hidup di jalan hidup masing-masing. Main idea of the first paragraph is that nomor 13 ini disuruh mencari ide pokok di paragraf pertama. Paragraf pertama diawali oleh I'm a guy 28 years old, diakhiri dengan it means you had to get approval from her parents. Ini paragraf pertama, dan paragraf pertama ini menceritakan Witcher want to get married. No, the Witcher has been dating for years. Bisa jadi the Witcher has a problem with his girlfriend. C. The writer feels sure that they love each other. A. The writer parent disapprove of his relationship. Setelah saya baca kembali ini menceritakan kalau C itu has a problem with his girlfriend, atau D lebih menceritakan ke C, the writer has a problem with his girlfriend karena tidak persetujuan dari orang tua si pacarnya ini. Jadi jawabannya nomor 13 C. 14. Which of the following sentence is true according to the text? Mana kalimat yang benar menurut teks tersebut? Rio is not ready to get married. Wrong. Rio parent disagree to get married. Ini also wrong. Rio and his girlfriend often get conflict. Tidak benar. Rio girlfriend didn't really love Rio. Tidak benar juga. Rio girlfriend couldn't defend her love for Rio. Pacarnya Rio tidak bisa mempertahankan cintanya ke Rio dikarenakan orang tuanya tidak setuju. Berarti jawabannya E. 15. Why do the girl's parents disapprove of their marriage? Because they don't like Rio. Bukan. The girl is studying. Bukan. Rio is from different ethnic group. Bukan. They keep the Caronis tradition. D. Jawabannya D, untuk mempertahankan budaya di Caronis, di mana menikahi yang darah sepertinya. Ini untuk nomor 16 sampai 18. Teksnya lumayan singkat, langsung kita baca. Two students were discussing the school new rule that all students must wear a cap and tee. One of them showed her annoyance. Tidak setuju salah satunya oleh peraturan untuk memakai topi dan dasi. She said that wearing a cap and tee was only suitable for a flag raising ceremony, untuk upacara bendera yang bersama di hari Senin. So she was against the rule. Contrary to the girl opinion, the other student was glad with it. He said that he didn't mind with the new rule because wearing cap and tee will make the student look great and like real educated person. Karena dengan memakai topi dan dasi memperlihatkan untuk siswa-siswanya ini agar menjadi seperti orang yang berpendidikan, educated person. The first student gave the reason that they would feel uncomfortable and hot. Ini the first student, ini yang tadi berarti ya. Moreover, the classroom were not air conditioned. The second said it wasn't a brief problem. He was sure that the student would wear them proudly. They would surely be used to it anyway. The two students are discussing. Ini aturan, tapi aturannya new rule, cap dan dasi berarti uniform, seragam. Berarti C. 16 C. 17. The boy said that he agreed with the new rule in his school. Which statement show his agreement? Ini yang boy ini the second ini, the second di paragraf terakhir, di kalimat terakhir, the second said it wasn't a big problem. He was sure that student would wear them properly. He was not annoyed. Ini bisa jadi B. He will not obey the rule. Salah. He didn't care for the rule. Salah. D. He didn't like. Salah. E. He didn't mind wearing cap and tee. Lebih ke E, karena dia tidak masalah untuk memakai ini dan dia berpikir bahwa semua siswa mungkin akan terbiasa seperti itu. Nomor 18. The boy believed that all students would have a high spirit to study. Bukan. B. Solve their own problem, menyelesaikan masalah. Bukan. C. Care for the environment. Tidak, ini tidak masuk ya. D. Follow the new rule. Yang tadi, the second tadi, paragraf terakhir ini, the second boy, yang satu kan girl, percaya bahwa semua siswa akan mengikuti dan terbiasa lalu mengikuti aturan ini, aturan yang baru. Lalu ini 19 ada suatu percakapan. 19 dan 20 ini ada percakapan Ini juga reading comprehension tentang di dialog. Yang tadi yang pertama itu lebih ke general idea of the text. Lalu yang 19 dulu ya, Mira, dan tokohnya ada 3, Mira, ayah, lalu ibu. Pastikan untuk mengerjakan soal seperti ini itu tokohnya diketahui dulu. Ini ada 3, Mira, hi dad, I will be late home because the committee will hold meeting after class. Ini Mira, anaknya ini, kedua orang tua terlambat karena komite ada meeting setelah kelas. Lalu ayahnya menjawab, "It's okay, but you must go straight home after the meeting." Mira, jangan khawatir. Lalu ibunya, apa yang Mira katakan? Ayahnya, Mira bilang bahwa ia akan terlambat pulang ke rumah hari ini dikarenakan ada komitenya mengadakan meeting setelah sekolah, setelah kelas. What is the most possible place where Mira is talking to her father? Ini pembicaranya ini pasti her home. Sebelum berangkat sekolah, Mira mengatakan kepada ayahnya karena ia akan terlambat untuk ikut meeting yang diadakan komite setelah sekolah. Jadi di rumah sebelum berangkat sekolah di pagi hari. Jawabannya 19B. 20 ada percakapan juga, tokohnya Eka, Lydia, 2 orang saja. Eka mengawali, apa kamu bebas atau senggang hari ini? Lalu si Lydia menjawab, ya, ada apa? Eka lalu berbicara lagi, maukah kamu untuk pergi bersamaku melihat konser Peter Pan? Ini bukan Peter Pan musik, tapi Peter Pan-nya ini drama. Jadi suatu drama tentang ceritanya Peter Pan malam ini. Lalu si Lydia menjawab, terima kasih, aku sangat senang. Itu my favorite band, berarti benar yang pertama tadi, ini Peter Pan-nya ini grup musik. Kata seharusnya yang tepat bukan show, tapi Peter Pan concert. What are the speakers going to do? Stay at home, bukan to see Peter Pan show. Jawabannya B. Berarti 20B untuk melihat konser Peter Pan. Seharusnya Peter Pan concert. Ini sudah selesai sampai 20. Kelanjutannya akan ada di video mendatang. Terima kasih.